Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can keyframe in Filmora, so let's get right into it. Now, keyframing is a very useful piece of tech that is used widely across the editing industry, and what you're going to need to do to add keyframing is just use the keyframing tool. But what keyframing does is, for example, I have this text over here, and let's say I want this text to start over here in the top left and make it go all the way to the bottom right over here. We're going to use keyframing to do that, so let me just go to the beginning of the video. Let me just go forward until the text appears. I'm actually just going to add new text simply because I have animations on this one, which I do not want. So let's just go to the text, see where it is. I'm going to go into basics, add a different look so that it looks, well, more obvious on the screen. And now that we have our text positioned right over here in the top left, let's say I want to make it zigzag from the top left to the middle right to the bottom left. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go here right where the text appears, maybe at the very beginning, and then I'm going to click on the text, make sure the text is selected, then go into keyframing. You can do alt left click. I'm just going to click here. And as you can see, you do need a Filmora login, but pretty much what, I'm not going to log in because I don't have an account, by the way, but what you need to do is just place the text here where you want it to start, and then, for example, you need to go into half of your video, and once you're at half, so somewhere around the halfway point, which should be 2:30, or for some reason I'm not sure what time code this is, but it seems like it's 2 seconds and 30 whatever it is. This is like a third of a second, so this is about the halfway of the video. And let's say we want the text to be here halfway, you would do it here, then you would alt click or just use the keyframing tool, and then you would drag it all the way down and make sure that the keyframe over here at the very end is where the text finishes up. And once you click the keyframe again, that is pretty much it, and the keyframe is gonna put it here. Now, keyframes pretty much just remember the positioning of the element, and a keyframe at the beginning in the top left will make sure that the text is there at the very start. A keyframe here in the middle will make sure that the text is here. However, it'll smoothly transition from here to here, or just linearly. It'll just move in a constant motion and then go to the end in the bottom left in pretty much the same way. You do have options to speed up the beginning and speed up the beginning, slow down the middle, and speed up the end to make it look more fluid. And you can also change the rotation, not only the speed, not only the position, you can change the size and everything. And yeah, that's pretty much what keyframes are used for, and they are a very useful tool. Well, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.